Greetings from Saratoga Arms and welcome to Cocktails with Colleen. Today I'm going to make a Blood Orange Sangria. And sangrias originated in Spain and Portugal, and they're really just wine with fruit. And it can be either red wine or white wine. And today I'm going to make you one with white wine. So what will we need? We will need blood orange juice. So actually, I have about 2 cups of blood orange juice that I bought at the grocery store in a bottle, just fresh blood orange juice. And then I have about a cup, a little over a cup of blood orange juice that I squeezed myself and strained. You definitely need to strain it because there's a lot of pulp and seeds in it. And then we have the Pinot Grigio. We've got the Baroni. It's delicious and crisp. It's perfect for this. I've got about a half a cup of grapefruit juice. Again, it will need to be strained. I have a 1/4 cup of lime juice, a couple tablespoons of lemon juice, a little bit of agave, just sweeten it up. I've got my glass just with a couple ice cubes, and I've got some blood orange seltzer to top it off. And I've got my garnishes, the blood oranges, and some thyme. So let's start. So we're going to take our pitcher and put all the blood orange juice in. Colors are just amazing. Look at how vibrant that is. And then we are going to pretty much almost fill the pitcher with the wine. Great sound. See how beautiful and red it is. I'm just going to leave a little for later. Just put that over here, and we're going to add the grapefruit juice. There's nothing better than fresh squeezed juices. Just makes the drinks so wonderful. And we're going to add that 1/4 cup of lime juice. And we're going to add the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Like great citrus in there. And then we're just going to add a little bit of agave just to sweeten it. It's great because there's no other sweeteners in there. Just nice natural things. And then we're going to stir it a little bit. And then, unfortunately, you have to be a little patient because you want the flavors to marry. So you want to put it in the refrigerator for at least a couple hours. You can do it overnight. Works out really nicely. So be ready for the next day. And so we're going to say this is the next day and get it going. We're going to take our glass with a couple ice cubes, or you can leave that out. It's nice and cold. I'm going to fill it a good amount. Looks amazing already. And then we're going to add a blood orange slice. Wonderful. And then we're going to just top it off just with a little bit of seltzer. And a nice sprig of thyme. And that is it. The Blood Orange Sangria. Enjoy.